Hello everyone, it's Matthews, and as you know, Sama, and today me and my friends, we are going to show you one of the famous place that you must visit when you come to Yakutia. Right guys?
Yes.
Now you can introduce yourselves.
Yeah, Victor. Yeah, Clesia. Yeah, Sandra.
From?
Mozambique. Cameroon. Libya.
So,
Pasago.
so guys, let's go. Oh.
See you there.
The temperature is plus 25.
We have arrived. This is the Kingdom Permafrost, and it is located 30 to 50 kilometers from the city.
The glacier is located inside the mountain. Let's go inside. This is the exterior view. Yeah. It looks like this, and it is located inside a mountain. We are inside, you can see, like there are so many people. Now I'm going to pay this 500. You are required to wear some special clothes. You can see it protects you from the moisture inside because it is cold. Now we are getting inside. It's dark. Even me, I can't see anything. Wow.
I think I like summer.
So inside the temperature is minus
Oh my God.
4 or 6. You can see the ice. Outside it's hot, but inside it is cold. There's ice. Yeah, I feel like staying here. This is another place. You can see the decoration, how amazing it looks. So one thing that I can tell you guys is during the Soviet time, this place was used as a natural refrigerator. They used to keep food, frozen food in this place because it is cold. You can see the ice. So it was like a warehouse for food. How are you feeling?
Cold. Cold.
Winter is back. Yeah. So outside it's summer, but inside it's what?
Winter.
Yeah.
Wow, this is why I feel this.
You can clearly see that all the people inside are wearing special clothes. Inside here you find different sculptures of Yakut traditional things. This is a sculpture. So the lights.
Ты туда просто не заходил.
So here you can even sit if you want. You can see the skull of a mammoth. I don't know if it is visible. Yeah. And this is a person. Yeah. And there. So that's why this place is called the Kingdom Permafrost. It's under the mountain. That's the most interesting thing. Everything inside here, it's ice. It's cold, but it's resistible. I've entered another room, yeah, and you can see even here there are some sculptures, interesting sculptures. Let me show you. This is a table made of ice. All the sculptures here are made of ice. Everything. I just feel like staying here forever because outside it's hot, but inside there is ice. Yeah. This is like a cathedral. It's very nice. Above there are some cables and the captures, I mean the sculptures. So in this room, it's like a sleeping room or guest room. You can see the bed and everything. So when you visit Yakutia, don't forget to come to this place. You're going to experience something that you've never experienced in your entire life. The sculpture of fish. Yeah, this place is so extraordinary. It is so amazing. See, someone caught the big fish and is showing it to the public that, guys, I'm a fisherman. I know how to fish. The temperature in this place does not fall below -10 and does not rise above -4. So it's kind of constant. It doesn't change. Wow. Feels like it's Christmas or maybe New Year. You can see the Christmas tree lighting. Yeah. Which one? So girls, how are you feeling?
Cold.
You are cold already?
Yes.
When you go outside, you start sweating. The fingers are
You should hide them.
they are reacting to
Yakutian eggs.
they are reacting to the temperature now.
Adults. I'm supposed to say this is when the eggs.
It's cold.
My fingers are freezing. Goodbye.
No, I want to show you all the places, so I'm still holding on despite my fingers now feeling cold. This is the decoration of the jeans, if I'm not mistaken. There, it's written somewhere there, and you are not allowed to go there. So I'm just showing you from afar. The girls, they want to stay forever because it's cool. You don't want?
Not me. Some maybe Claudia.
So it's -6 or -7. Somewhere there. It's not. Yeah. So this is the Permafrost Kingdom. How I wish we had such things in Africa. You just go inside there.
Go in your fridge.
Go in your fridge.
Yeah. So that thing, yeah, it's like if you guys who've watched Game of Thrones, let me show you the kingdom, the real kingdom.
I'm here on your mother's
My phone is basically me.
I'm a mother snow.
So this is the queen.
Yes.
Hello, queen.
I'm a mother snow. Queen Snow.
Do you know that movie? Dragons.
So this is the mother queen.
Game of Thrones.
Oh.
It's here.
You can even sit here. I feel like I've made it in life. I feel like the king. So yeah. You must visit this place. Oh.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Come armed.
Yeah. It's worth it. So here are the stairs. It's kind of interesting. Like if you want, you can slide on the ice, and in the background you can hear the Yakut traditional songs or traditional song. I'll slide on it to show you. Oh no! Someone will get stuck.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, this is a sliding place. Remove the jacket. Oh no! Look at Sandra. Someone got stuck. Someone got stuck. How do you feel after sliding? Huh? So someone is saying that after sliding she feels shambolic. People are saying that now they don't even miss winter because here it's cold, their hands are frozen.
But I'll miss looking like a wizard.
We've come to the end of our exhibition. Guys, what do you have to say about this place?
Well, interesting and come back. Well, when the borders open, please come visit.
So someone is saying that when the borders are open, please come and visit this
I'll be
place.
your ride.
Yeah, I can be your tour guide.
This.
Yeah. So guys, thank you for tuning in, or thank you for watching. After this, we are going. Yeah, we are going to. There are 3 wizards behind me. Yeah. So we are going to show you in the next video. I'm going to show you another place that you must visit when you come to Yakutsk area, Yakutia. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and
subscribe, like it,
and see you in the next video.
That's Daniel.
Boo.
Boo.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Ciao. Ciao. Ade.